Lisbon was a city with tourism, for instance, in August, Christmas, Easter, and that was it. Suddenly we had a city where you have a plane landing every 5 minutes, you have boats coming with 4,000 people on board, and imagine all those people at the same day in Lisbon, which is a city of 500,000 inhabitants. So we were not prepared. And many businesses open during the night, I would say. Many of these things affected the city, like gentrification. So right now you have burgers everywhere, you have kiosks with jeans, and in some parts of the city, some coffee shops looks the same as you were in Copenhagen or in Berlin or in London. That's one of the biggest problems right now. So you are losing the authenticity, you are losing the genuine Lisbon in pro of the things that we would think the tourists would like. Lisbon is going to be a theme park soon if we don't take good care of it, if we don't take good care of the old town, where you have bars and restaurants, but they are not for the people that live in the neighborhood, because they cannot afford it. The minimum wage is 505 euros per month. So if you go to a restaurant where you pay 20, at the same time we are having lots of income from the tourists, which is really good. I guess the town hall is saving lots of money, and they are doing repairments and structures in the city. I hope this will transform the city for the best, not for the worst. I try to show in my tours, and also at the We Hate Tourism tours, the real Lisbon. So, for instance, all the places that I go in my tours are from local places, historical shops, where you can buy made in Portugal products. So you won't get home with a t-shirt of Ronaldo that is made in Taiwan, for instance. Nothing against Taiwan, but if you're in Lisbon, you want to buy a thing from Lisbon or from Porto. And by helping the local community, you are creating jobs, because you are helping the Portuguese industry. Because the impact of drinking a coffee in a local cafeteria or going to Starbucks, it's enormous. If you go to Starbucks a lot, maybe you'll create another job at the end of the month. If you go to that cafeteria that is open since 1924, maybe you are saving that small business to continue for at least 5-10 years, we don't know. But it's a huge impact.